Let's design a piece of furniture that has a swept frame. This procedure is good for lots of different kinds of modern furniture, including objects that are made of metal or of wood that have a constant cross-section. To get started, I'd like to create an object that gives me a sense of scale. That way, when we sketch in the lines that define the elevation of the object, we'll be making them in real-world scale. I'll make a box primitive using the keyboard entry rollout. I'll make it at the origin point and give it a size of 2 feet by 2 feet by 3 feet. I'll go to the left viewport, zoom in, and turn off the grid. I'll turn on Grid Point Snap and sketch in a line on top of the object. This is the side view of a chair, where this is the backrest and this is the seat. I'll go into perspective, and now I can get rid of this box. It served its purpose. I'll turn off the grid here. Select this line, turn off snap, and clone it over to the side a short distance, about 1'6" or so. I'll copy it to make a unique spline object, and then go to Modify. I'll create 2 columns of command panels here, and I'll use the Attach button to attach the other object to this one. Turn off Attach and deselect. So we have the beginnings of our chair as a single object now. It has 2 sub-splines. I'll rename the object Frame 1. Now what I'd like to do is connect the backrest up here with a line, and down here at the base of the chair I'd like to create a segment down there. Now I could do that by drawing in a new line object, and then I can attach it to the frame. But then I'd be left with duplicate vertices, which I'd have to weld. A more direct approach is to go into the vertex sub-object level and use Connect. Connect works by dragging from one vertex to another, and it creates a segment connecting those 2 vertices. The beauty of the Connect tool is that it doesn't duplicate vertices. To verify that, I'll select this vertex up here, and right down here it tells me that I have vertex 6 selected on spline 1. If you have multiple vertices selected, it won't tell you which spline they're on. It will just tell you that you have 2 vertices selected. So this is just a check to make sure that we got what we wanted. Now I'll go ahead and select all the vertices and fillet them. You can use fillet in several different ways. One is by typing in a value here, another is by using the spinner, and a third way is by using the fillet button itself. And I'll do it this way. I'll come over here and put the mouse over a vertex, and you can see the fillet cursor. I'll drag that up, and all those vertices will be filleted. So it turned each one of those original vertices into 2 vertices now. You see that? Creating smooth transitions where we formerly had crisp transitions. I'll get out of fillet and go to the top level.